Over the past few years, the market for folding phones has experienced rapid growth and development. This progress was particularly evident with the recent launch of the Motorola Razr lineup for 2023. Motorola has introduced two new models, the Motorola Razr and the Motorola Razr Plus. Among these, the Razr Plus stands out as the higher-end option that captures the most attention. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 4 is an obvious competitor, but it comes with a higher price tag compared to Motorola's entry-level model. Now this raises an important question: should you opt to save money, and if you do, what features or advantages might you be missing out on? So let's find out the answer in today's video, as we're going to compare them side by side. Motorola has taken a departure from the classic Razr design and embraced a more contemporary flip-style appearance with the Razr Plus. While maintaining a slight curve on the sides for a comfortable hold, the Razr Plus exudes a modern aesthetic that closely resembles the Galaxy Z Flip 4. One notable feature of the new design is the impressive 3.6-inch cover display, which we will explore in greater detail later on. While the Galaxy Z Flip 4 showcases straightened edges and a sleek hinge, the Motorola Razr Plus takes a different approach. It boasts a seamless design where both halves of the phone sit flush when closed, unlike the Z Flip 4. This means that the Razr Plus eliminates the gap found on the Z Flip 4, which could potentially pose issues for some users. The gap on the Z Flip 4 could inadvertently allow small objects like dust or coins to enter, potentially leading to damage. Motorola claims to have incorporated a novel hinge mechanism in the Razr Plus that significantly reduces the overall system size, making it thinner than many other foldable devices. With a mere thickness of 15.1mm, the Razr Plus stands out in terms of slimness. In contrast, the Z Flip 4 exhibits a discernible crease on its display, albeit minimal. When it comes to durability, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 takes the lead with its enhanced Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. In comparison, the Razr Plus is equipped with Gorilla Glass Victus, which is slightly less durable but does provide decent protection. This distinction is also evident in the IP ratings of both devices. The Motorola smartphone holds an IP52 rating, indicating a moderate level of protection against dust and water splashes. On the other hand, the Z Flip 4 boasts a superior IPX8 rating, offering better water resistance capabilities. But Moto shines in terms of dust resistance. The external display is where Motorola Razr Plus totally outperforms the Z Flip 4, as it boasts a spacious 3.6-inch POLED cover display situated at the top. Basically, without unfolding the device, you can access the entire smartphone's functionality directly from there. This large display occupies a significant portion of the upper half of the foldable device and offers impressive specifications, including a high 144Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1100 nits. Motorola has incorporated numerous functionalities into the cover display, transforming it into a versatile tool. Users can make use of it as a notification center, a widgets panel, a gaming interface, and a dedicated Spotify control panel. When the Razr Plus is unfolded, you'll be greeted with a spacious 6.9-inch POLED display boasting FHD Plus resolution. This vibrant display further impresses with a high refresh rate of 165Hz and a peak brightness of 1400 nits. Thanks to the innovative teardrop hinge mechanism employed by Motorola, the crease on the display is significantly reduced, surpassing the Z Flip 4 in this aspect. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is equipped with a considerably smaller 1.9-inch AMOLED panel. Due to its compact size, the functionality and capabilities of this display are more limited compared to the Razr Plus. Although users can conveniently check notifications, view weather updates, and keep track of the time, the smaller screen size area restricts the overall functionality. While it's possible to capture rear camera selfies using the small display, the viewfinder itself is noticeably smaller, affecting the user experience in that aspect. Upon unfolding the Z Flip 4, users are presented with a generous 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. This vibrant screen boasts FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. While the display of the Z Flip 4 should provide a satisfactory experience, it's worth noting that the Razr Plus surpasses it in terms of smoothness and performance. Both foldable devices are equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which, although not the latest system on a chip available, delivers seamless performance for everyday tasks and provides an impressive gaming experience. Additionally, both smartphones boast 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking capabilities and efficient handling of memory-intensive applications. The camera setup on the Motorola Razr Plus comprises of a 12-megapixel wide lens with an impressive f-stop 1.5 aperture, delivering excellent low-light performance. Additionally, it features a 13-megapixel ultra-wide shooter with an f-stop 2.2 aperture, capturing expansive scenes with a wider field of view. For capturing selfies, the inner display houses a 32-megapixel lens with an f-stop 2.4 aperture and a pixel size of 0.7 micrometers, which is cleverly binned to 8 megapixel with a pixel size of 1.4 micrometers. This pixel binning technique enhances image quality and improves light sensitivity, ensuring sharper and more detailed self-portraits. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 consists of a dual camera configuration on the rear. It includes a 12-megapixel primary sensor with an f-stop 1.8 aperture, optical image stabilization, and dual-pixel face detection autofocus. Additionally, it features a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with an f-stop 2.2 aperture, allowing users to capture wide-angle shots. For selfies, the Z Flip 4 is equipped with a 10-megapixel front-facing camera with an f-stop 2.4 aperture. This selfie camera can record videos up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second and is capable of capturing high dynamic range shots, resulting in vibrant and detailed self-portraits. The Motorola Razr Plus comes with a 3800 mAh battery, providing ample power to keep the device running throughout the day. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 features a slightly smaller 3700 mAh battery. Regarding charging capabilities, the Razr Plus also holds a slight advantage with its 30-watt wired USB-C charging support, allowing for faster charging times. In short, with its expansive 3.6-inch cover display, impressive software features and specifications that can rival the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, the Motorola Razr Plus emerges as an enticing option. If you're in search of a new foldable device and can exercise a little patience until June 23rd, the Razr Plus is undoubtedly a compelling choice that merits serious consideration. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.